Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. As always, I really appreciate it, and I cannot believe like 2020. What? Like, are you kidding me? It's still so hard to believe. I know that 2019 will forever hold a very special place in my heart. This year has taught me so much. In no way, shape, or form was this year either easy or perfect. On the contrary, I had really hard times this year discovering myself as a mom, and I have made so many mistakes this year. Like, so many. But I don't know. I feel different. I feel like my mistakes have just allowed me to see myself in a different light. The hardships, I feel like, have made me so incredibly strong. Like, I am so excited about the person that I am becoming. I have really pushed myself beyond my limits, or at least what I thought my limits were. And so the fact that I've done that, it's like I've tapped into this person who I know I can be. And every day I'm just working really hard at just becoming a better version of myself. And I think because of all those things, I feel like 2019 was just such an amazing year. Becoming a mom has just really put this fire in my heart, and I just want to be better, not just for myself but also for my family. I'm just so excited for what 2020 has in store. I'm going in it with the mentality that 2020 is not going to give me anything. I'm just going to take everything from 2020. Like, I am not going to sit here and just sort of wait around for things to just land on my lap. And that's one of the things that 2019 has taught me, that you can't just sit around and just wait for a good year. You can't just wait around and wait for a good job. You can't just sit around and wait for life to just sort of happen. Like, you have to take action, like major action. And so I'm excited to take the lessons that 2019 has taught me and just apply them to 2020, and also continue to learn different lessons in 2020. So I am gonna go ahead and just recap the whole year, share it with you guys, some of my most special moments. None of it is lavish, so if you were hoping for yachts and boats and mansions, I love you guys. Thank you so much for supporting me throughout this year. I cannot wait to see what 2020 has in store for all of us. Like, I'm so excited. I'm sending you all of my positive vibes. I know, and I just have this feeling. You know when you just have a feeling? I have a feeling that 2020 is just going to be such an amazing year. Not because it's perfect, but because of who we're gonna become and the experiences we're gonna have, and just all these things that just make it so exciting to just be human. I have a feeling that 2020 is going to be filled with so much of what it means to be human. It is a gift that we all have, and I'm so excited. So I love you guys, and enjoy this little 2019 recap. Bye.
When you feel it's hopeless, when you think that you lost, oh, I will take your hand and we'll rise up from the dust. Oh, here we go, let us heal and grow. You won't be going for, this is what we know. Here we come back to life, we're still breathing, standing up, everybody's gonna see it. Oh, all you need to know is that we're holding on. Even if we fall, we will rise up, and we follow the path that we believe in. No, we're not gonna stop until we reach it. Oh, all you need to know is that we're holding on. We rise up from the dust and clean my throat. We all have our reasons
going to the pool. It's my first time wearing a bathing suit with my bum.
You rise up from the dust and clear my throat. We rise up from the dust and clear my throat. We rise up from the dust and clear my throat.
You did it.
If it's love that you need, you can take it from me. 'Cause I'm the one who's giving it all. And I know it's been hard, but you've made it this far. No, I'm the one who's giving it all. I'm the one who's giving it all.
Hi to our YouTube family. Hi. Hey guys. 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 Hello everyone. I had to make a quick run to get a couple of things for a YouTube video that I'm filming today. Can you guys guess where I went? How do I look? Do you guys like my new turban? I love it. I feel like I should just drive home like this the entire way. What do you guys think? Guys. Ay, mamita. You look so freaking cute. Oh my god, but your turban looks more like a bunny. Oh my goodness. Now we're talking. You like your CVS turban? You guys. I'm about to microblade my eyebrows and I'm so excited and I'm freaking out. I'll show you guys the after. New eyebrows. Aria, look at Mama. Hey, you liking your mask? I think you like it. Aria. Hi. Oh,